Hi, I'm James and I'm an applications engineer here at NI UK, and I'm going to be talking to you about my myDAQ project. Now, the project that I created is called myRangeScanner, and it's basically a little IR range sensor on top of a servo motor. So we're using the myDAQ to read in values from the sensor and to control the motor so that we can do a full 180-degree sweep, taking sensor values. So here's the circuit up close. As you can see, we've got the myDAQ and we're using my proto board. On that we've connected our rangefinder and our servo motor. We've given it a 9-volt battery, but we're regulating that down to 5 volts so that we can use that with the servo motor and the rangefinder. And when I run the VI, you'll see that it moves across to the start position and then goes in a 180-degree sweep, taking range values. So let's have a look at the actual code now. So when I go to the block diagram, what I've done is just set up 2 DAQ-MX tasks, one for the sensor input and one for the servo motor control. So what we do is initialize both of these, write the start position to the motor, give it time to get to that start position, and then inside a for loop we read from the sensor, put that value into an array of all of our sensor values, write the next servo position to the motor and put that into an array of our values, convert those degrees to radians, plot that on an XY graph, and then clear the tasks after we've done all of the iterations. So when I actually run that, you'll see that it starts plotting the values on the graph, and then when I put my hand in the way, you'll see that the values decrease. So when I take my hand away, you see that they go back up again. The servo motor is controlled using pulse width modulation, or PWM. To do this, we give it constant digital pulses, and to tell it what position we want it to move to, we just change the duration of the high pulse. So for this example, to get it to the central position, we give it a high pulse of 1500 microseconds. To go to plus 90 degrees, we give it 2000 microseconds, and minus 90 degrees, we give it 1000 microseconds. The range sensor just gives out a voltage depending on how close objects are to it. So for this, we're just reading it in using our myDAQ and the analog to digital converter that it's got on that. So it reads in our analog signal, converts that to a discrete digital value that then transfers to the computer where we do our processing. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.